Hello, today I want to teach you how you can make, instead of making a bad gin tonic, you're gonna be able to make a good gin tonic. First thing you want to do is take an appropriate cup like that, and you take enough ice. Just put some ice to the bottom. Ice is quite important for gin tonic, so it's about like that much. The next and the most important thing is that instead of being like some of those Taiwanese bars and putting only 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of gin, you're gonna put 2 ounces of gin, which makes it so much better. Because you know, tonic water is bitter and it doesn't knock you out. You wanna put double the gin. Today we're gonna use Beefeater, which is one of the most popular good all-around gin. And all you need to do next is just to put half a can, just only half a can of tonic water on it. And now you can stir it with a spoon. If you're really fancy, you can garnish it with a lemon, like that. But because I've had few drinks before, that's why I already had a half can now, been drinking. So simple, from home, do it yourself type of thing. Cheers guys, enjoy your drink and make sure you're gonna add 2 ounces instead of 1. Don't trip yourself off. Cheers. Merry Christmas.